Today I am leaving St. Thomas to enter into the beautiful parish of Portland. I'm going to Reach Falls, but before we go to Reach Falls, remember to grab something to eat because there's no restaurants at Reach Falls, so you better go Boston, go buy your jerk pork, your jerk chicken, your festival, your bammy, roast breadfruit or fried breadfruit and fried potato. Yes. And then we are going to head up there. They also have some corn. So guys, welcome to Reach Falls. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am at Reach Falls in the beautiful parish of Portland. So let's go. Camera for me all the time. A full time you don't have camera. You see how she clean? So you got to watch your steps. You don't want to drop enough. So you're not going. You got to be skilled to walk around here. Because the water that deep, me not even look on it. Me not look on the water there. So Jamaica beautiful. In the bush. People were in the bush, you know. We're in the wild. This is a Brazil.
Oh yeah, I'm beginning to
No? Lisa, you're not in the water. Jump in there. Okay. The lifeguard are going to do it. Okay?
oh my.
Here. Lot of that.
You don't walk so far.
So he's gonna wait for you.
He's gonna be right down there.
Guys, I'm doing this just for you guys. No problem. Alright, So our time is up.
Yeah, man.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Kenton.
you're welcome. All
Bye.
right, bye, baby.
Bye, Reach Falls. Do you hear those sounds? That's nature. So me get to find out say Reach Falls was discovered by runaway slaves from plantations in the neighboring parish of St. Thomas. Me didn't know that because I can feel the energy. I saw if me was a slave, I run when me would have run we go up in the mountain top here, up in the Drunkard Mountain. And reach a them falls here and something. It's like me the born already. Me nah ask. I saw me feel would I be one unruly slave. You hear those sounds? Mr. People, I'm tired. It's a little stress to go down the hill and a little stress to come up the hill. But anyway, the video is finished. So thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye.